I challenge myself to win Bedwars without armor. But wait, comment down below what challenges I'm gonna do in my next video. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe to always updated. Let's go. Alright, game 1. We need to win this game without armor. Now let's buy blocks here and go this diamond generator. And we need to rush in the middle to get the emeralds. To buy the sword. And this guy is rushing. You die, sir. Thank you. Oh, alright, that's my bad. That's my bad. Alright, this guy is coming. Sir, just die. Thank you. Now, oh, no, 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 no. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And bye bye. Now let's go to the middle to get these gems. Okay, let's get this. No, sir, thank you. I'm pretty confident that I think I'm gonna win this. I hope so.
But what the hell, boy?
Now let's go back to the base here. You know what? Let's upgrade this generator. Let's buy diamond armor. Let's wait.
Huh?
Now we need to buy diamond sword and then diamond pickaxe. This is no armor challenge. Okay.
Hello there.
And I forgot. I need some. Oh my gosh.
Why are you running?
Nicer. Let's kill these two first. Now the bed is gone. We need to be careful here. I think I need to buy golden apple. I think that's the best strat. Let's try that. But let's break this bed first and then heal you. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is that. Oh my. You know what? Screw you. Yeah, bye. Now let's buy some golden apple. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's the first try, guys.
Stop the cap.
I promise. Let's try another one. I think I got lucky there. And we are on this map. I'm lagging here, but that's okay. Let's try. Now let's go to middle. Oh my shit.
You stupid.
And
What the fuck is that?
oh my gosh. This kid, I hate this kid. Buying this plate immediately. I think we need rush in the middle. I think that's a good strat. And get this.
Oh no.
Oh my freaking this. Oh my gosh. is not here. Oh my gosh. We are breaking this bed by some pickaxe. Please. Bye-bye, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Bye. Oh. 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 I think we need to kill immediately these old people so that they can get the strong armor.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah. I'm gonna die. No. I'm gonna destroy this. Thank you. But let's get this first. Let's buy blocks. And we're going here. Free. Teleport. Go. Oh. Ankle breaker. That's diamond sword and some other. But there's green here. If I win this second time, I think I'm the best Bedwars player. Without the armor in 2 games. Come on now. Let's see. If I win. But if I'm not, alright, okay.
Whoa, 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 hey, 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 hey!
Oh. Please. No. No. I'm panic. Oh my gosh. So that's it for today, guys. Please suggest any type of video and challenges. And that's it. Bye.